This is Stephanie Barrett, and I am seeking a grant to update and redesign the Love Canal Collections website. The Love Canal neighborhood in Niagara Falls, New York is the site of one of the most notorious environmental disasters in U.S. history. The University at Buffalo Special Collections is the main repository of documents and multimedia related to the disaster. UB holds records from 9 different individuals and organizations that contain detailed reports, testimonies, newspaper articles, audio interviews, and more. These collections are valuable to researchers from a number of disciplines, including historians, sociologists, anthropologists, public health professionals, environmentalists, and lawyers. In order to realistically draft a scope of work for this digitization project, we conducted a needs assessment. This consisted of a log of all visitations to the UB Special Collections to view any part of the Love Canal Collections records in-house, as well as a running list of any questions posed to archival staff about the collections. Based on the visitor log, we were able to determine that 2 collections in particular were being requested the most, and this set the priority for which textual collections would be part of the collection. One particular item was requested several times from a collection, being a U-matic video cassette tape. This item was also prioritized for digitization to reduce wear and tear of the tape. As part of the needs assessment, a survey was conducted and embedded into the existing Love Canal Collections website. This survey was developed in order to inform us of which sections of the website users found most helpful while they were interested in the collections, and any other comments that could be useful in redesign of the website. Not many answers were received, 16 total for the year, yet some information is always better than no information. The digitization plan will include reformatting and adding metadata using Dublin Core as a standard to existing textual collections. Currently, these items are in GIF or PDF format and will be transformed to OCR optimized PDFs so that full text searching can be enabled within the website. 2 textual collections will be digitized in full and added to the website. A recently accessioned addition to the collection is comprised of audio cassette tape containing interviews of Love Canal residents from 1971 to 1981. These tapes will be digitized. There will also be a video documentary filmed by Lynn Corcoran. The main purpose of the Love Canal Collections digitization and website redesign project is to increase accessibility, ensuring the website architecture and user interfaces are intuitive and streamlined. Here is an example of the existing interface for searching for newspaper clippings. There's some information here that can definitely be consolidated. In this next slide is a possible change to this interface. You can see now there is only one search box with a drop-down menu to search by name or keyword. The date range is now true range, where you can specify an exact time period in which to search. In this next interface mockup, here is the search mechanism for the audio cassette interviews that have been digitized. There's an option to search by name or keyword, to enter in a date range, as well as a limit by file size and browse by name. These were just some ideas on updating the interfaces within the website. The website will be redesigned according to our needs assessment. However, usability testing will provide us with the information we'll need for the final tweaks to be made to the website. The analysts for our usability testing will be volunteers from UB, both faculty and students. Our hope is that we can get volunteers from a variety of disciplines to reflect users that most often use the Love Canal records. We've allotted 3 months for testing and another 3 for final website changes. The Special Collections will celebrate the launch of the redesigned Love Canal Collections website by featuring the collection within the main UB Library website, by promotion through social media. or even publishing this digitization project as a case study to be disseminated through conferences or publication. This concludes my presentation on the grant proposal to update and redesign the Love Canal Collections website. Thank you for your time.